everyone. We have always talked about the good and benefits of meditation. Now I want to give you a guide to start meditating. We all heard or read about the benefits of having meditation routine. But you might still feel a bit hesitant to start because you tried it a few times but it felt frustrating, or you think that you need a lot of time practice meditation. I will tell you basic concepts so you can clear away the obstacles to your daily practice and learn some basic practicing exercise that will make a positive difference in your life. Benefits of meditation. A Harvard study showed that meditating can help decrease stress and anxiety levels, which in turn will diminish inflammation in our bodies, reduce blood pressure, improve attention, sleep better, help us make smarter choices, and regulate our thoughts so we don't jump so fast into reacting and judging. A great benefit is that you will find peace within. The peace that spiritual traditions talk about that passes all understanding. One of the biggest goals of meditation is that you tune in with yourself and connect with your center to get in touch with the energy of oneness. Basic morning meditation techniques. Every good meditation practice begins with finding that works best for you. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to meditate, since there are different techniques or style of meditation, like breathing meditation, candle stirring, mantra meditation, walking meditation. Experiment different techniques and stick to what works best for you. If you have never meditated before, or if you haven't meditated in a long time, I recommend that you start with 5 to 10 minutes. With practice, you'll be able to sit for longer periods of time. You can set an intention before you begin, but start your practice without attachment to any particular outcome or how your meditation practice should be. Just be open to experience what you're meant to receive from every practice. The best time to meditate is early in the morning, before your coffee or tea. That way you set yourself up for a peaceful start to your day. Follow these simple steps to start your meditation practice. Step number 1. Find a place that will be your secret space for meditation. Try to pick a room that is free from a loud noise or distractions and make it cozy. You can add relaxing background music, light a candle, and increase or diffuse a relaxing essential oil. 2. Choose a time. Make meditation a priority. Set an appointment with yourself and practice at the same time every day, and see this as feeding your soul. Some people like to meditate night before they go to bed. This will help you sleep more soundly. Step 3. Wear comfortable clothes. Number 4. Sit comfortably. You can sit on a cushion, on the floor, on your couch, or a chair. Try to have backrest so you can keep your back erect. You don't need to try fancy yoga postures at the beginning. Don't lay down because most likely you'll fall asleep. Just sit still and straight. Step 5. Set a timer. 6. Always start your meditation practice with 5 to 7 long and slow deep breaths so you can start releasing tension. Step 8. Just know that you have thoughts. You might feel sensation in your body and you might hear sounds in your environment. It's all normal. Whenever you become conscious of that, just go back to the object you were focusing on, or go back to paying attention to your breathing again, or repeating your mantra, but do it mentally without moving your lips and your tongue. Even if you feel like you don't accomplish much with your practice on a specific day, be consistent. Honor and acknowledge yourself for taking the time to practice, even if you feel that the effects are not obvious. Be grateful for your practice, and in no time you'll be glad you started.